Magandang araw pong muli mga kaibigan. Welcome pong muli dito sa Huntahan TV ng Bayan. Pag-usapan po natin itong sulat ni Secretary Argadon kay Senate President Miguel Zubiri at House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Ito po ay noong April 1. In a letter dated April 1 and addressed to Senate President Juan Miguel Zubiri and House Speaker Martin Romualdez, the official urged both leaders to include amendments to the political provision of the Constitution because it could lead to improved governance and greater benefits to the people. Charter change is a rare opportunity that demands meaningful changes benefiting nations and future generations. Let us seize this moment to enact comprehensive reforms. The letter read. Gadon's call came after the House of Representatives passes the resolution of both Houses 7, RB 87, amending restrictive economic provision in the Constitution just before the Holy Week. The officials is also pushing for an extension of terms of limit to 6 years of the following position: members of the House of Representatives, governors, vice governors, board members, mayors, vice mayors, and councilors, because the triennial election incur substantial cost, draining billions of public funds, imposing financial burden on the candidates. Furthermore, he asked Congress to consider transition from presidential to a parliamentary form of government, with the Prime Minister position to be shared by the Senate President and the House Speaker. As cited in the letter, the Prime Minister would be tasked to appoint cabinet ministry, while the President would be the head of state, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces and Head of Foreign Relations. The President would also appoint the members of the Judiciary Constitutional Commission, as well as recommended the removal of cabinet members. He pushed that the position of the extended term should take effect in the 2028 national election, but stressed that local officials who have served the present 3 consecutive terms cannot run in 2028 but may do so in subsequent national election. So ayan po yung sulat ni Larry Gadon. At tingnan po natin kung paano nagdiligalig at nagwawala itong si Larry Gadon tungkol sa tsatsang gustong-gusto niyang isulong. Panuorin po natin.
Ayaw namin ng tsatsa kasi si Martin ang initiator. Makasara kami. Ano kinalaman yan? Mga tanga lang talaga kayo. Ito ang dahilan mo lang. Hindi, makasara kami eh. Ayaw namin kay Martin. Di sige. Magpakahirap kayo. Ako.
So, yan po ang nilalaman ng sulat ni Mr. Gadon kay Zubiri at saka kay Speaker Romualdez. Ang suhestyon ay para pahabain ang termino ng mga nanunungkulang politiko ng hanggang 6 na taon. At talagang yung direksyon nila na magkaroon ng Prime Minister, yun pa rin yung talagang ideya nila. Na ang ibig sabihin, gusto talaga nilang manungkulan at makontrol ang Pilipinas ng mahabang panahon o habang mayroon silang magagawang paraan. So sa isang tingin, hindi talaga para sa Pilipino ang ginagawa nilang amendments, kundi pansariling interest talaga. At mantakin natin, ang gusto nila, lumalabas 3 tao lang ang may control sa Pilipinas. Yung presidente, yung prime minister na paghahatian ng Senado at saka ng Kongreso. O kayo po mga kaibigan, ano po ba ang inyong masasabi? Kasi po doon sa lumabas sa survey, talagang halos ang mga Pilipino ay may disgusto sa charter change na isinusulong nila. Pag-isipan po nating mabuti ito at medyo parang malalagay ang buong sambayan ng Pilipino sa alanganin. Maraming salamat po at pakisuyo na lang, paki-like, and subscribe na lang po.